Okay guys, I had kind of some unanswered questions and hopefully maybe I'll be able to answer some for you by this. This is the firewall of a 63 C10 where I was putting the LS in and I'm doing it with a drive-by cable. I had a question on what to use as far as a pedal. So I removed the original pedal and got the pedal for, I hope you can see it all right. I got the pedal for a 68 Camaro that has a 6-cylinder with a throttle cable on it. I just took an end of it, I actually welded a washer onto, and with it you'll be able to put the put your end on it on the cable, and it'll work back and forth when you put your cable in there. Actually works really good in the truck, so kind of excuse the mess. I kind of got a lot of stuff laying everywhere here, but I'll kind of show you in the truck what I was able to do with it. I hope you'll be able to see it. It's kind of dark, but by doing that I was able to drill a hole. Hold on a minute, let me see if I can get us a light to make this a little bit better. Sorry about the moving around. But the main purpose of this video was just kind of to help somebody maybe answer a few questions that I had that I wasn't able to find a whole lot of help on. Or I found some, but nothing kind of really told what you needed. But this kind of maybe help explain it to somebody. But what I did was I just took the 68 Camaro pedal and I took the bracket that comes with it off. And this is the original bracket for the 63 C10. So what I did was just left that original bracket, but removed the throttle pedal from there. And when I slide it out, you can see there's a little plastic washer on the end. That was on my original pedal. So I just removed it, slid it on there, and you can kind of see up there now. I got just a self tapper through there to start with, just where I was gonna put the hole at, and then I just drilled it out, put it through. But you can see how it lines up perfect now. So basically with the throttle cable, you'll take it, and I'll be able to see, thread it through the hole. Again, sorry about this quality, I'm trying to do it with one hand, but I just thought maybe this might be something that helps somebody out. Let me just slide this through 1 second. Just bear with me. And then you can basically, and you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll be able to put that on there. I don't have it clipped, I just got it sitting there, but that'll hold it, work the pedal. At that point you can adjust what you need, where the pedal needs to be, the height that you need it, pull everything right there, and it should be good to go. If you got any questions, leave me a comment down below, good, bad, whatever. Just trying to help somebody is basically what the whole purpose of the video is. But sometimes I think this will make it a lot easier and a little bit cheaper, especially if you're on a budget. Thanks for watching, appreciate it.